time to get into everyone's favorite, asthma. Very common chronic respiratory condition. Let's break down the pathophysiology. In order to be asthmatic or have asthma, the first thing is that your airway is abnormally reactive. So there's this heightened sensitivity. Something happens and your airway is just like, whoo, it has a reaction really fast. Now, number two, something has to happen. We've got multiple triggers that can cause this response. Once there's a trigger is when we follow this pathway of inflammation. Inflammation, excessive mucus. The third thing that happens is bronchospasm. Airways actually starting to close. Airway diameter goes down. This can cause obstruction. This really sets asthma apart and makes it super dangerous.